Hello everybody, this is Anath5 and welcome back to another tutorial where I won't tell you the name, but you will probably guess the name by seeing the title and the thumbnail of the video. Yeah, first get the green flag block, then set size to 100%, then for the mouse scrolling, get the when key up arrow pressed. If not key up arrow pressed, then change size by 5. That is the script for scrolling up. In Scratch, this when up arrow key pressed block is also works for the zooming in and the down arrow for the zooming out. Not zooming out, mouse scroll wheel down. Down arrow pressed, key down arrow pressed, change size by -5 or -5. That would be it, but you will see soon. Once we reach to size of 540, what are we seeing? It doesn't work. Why is it not zooming? In Scratch, there's a zooming limit. To overcome that, we can convert this to bitmap, brush, brush size to 1, zoom in, and then place a dot there, and then switch costume back to costume 1. Reset the size. Okay, reset the size. Then switch costume to costume 1 and then switch costume to costume 2, then back to costume 1. Okay, now there is no limit. Yeah, but now there is the issue. When we scroll back down, we are back down to the limit. That is bad. So what we can do there, we can put a if else. By if else you would say, I will show you. First we can create another sprite which is bitmap, create a huge rectangle which covers the entire screen, and then switch costume to costume 3 if the sprite size is less than 520. And here after changing the size, and if it is greater than 520, switch costume to costume 2. That would, I think, remove the issue. Yeah, it is perfectly fine now. And now there is another issue when we scroll down totally to 1. When we back, it switches size to 100. Another if else, we could say switch costume to costume 3, the big rectangle, if the size is less than 100. Size is less than 100. Now that would work, yes. And again, that would be it. But I would like to add a cool little effect which is very nice. Change X and change Y by, duplicate those two blocks and delete these two blocks. add them down here. After the change size by block, get a sign of, keep it in the change x by position blocks, and cos of in the y, change y position blocks. Now here get a subtraction block, duplicate it so that we get 4 blocks of it, place it in every single one of the sine and cos blocks. Then get mouse X and place it in both the change X blocks, the left side of the subtraction, and mouse Y blocks in the left side of the change Y blocks. And then get X position block, place it in the change X by position blocks, get the Y position, Y, Y position blocks, and place it in the right side of the subtraction there. Now that would add a cool effect of changing the sprites X and Y to kind of center the sprites zooming towards the mouse. If you don't like that, you can always remove it by just removing these two blocks and these two blocks. And also we can go to x of 0 and y of 0, the green flag clicked. Now to end it all, this is a cool little funny thing to watch. By changing the mosaic effect by -2 and 2 here after the change size blocks. Wait, what? Why is it color? Oh, okay. Yeah, mosaic. Yeah. Now, when we zoom in, they split. It is a nice, cool effect. Not for this zooming, but still, it is a cool effect. And we can reduce it like this. So that, guys, was the zooming effect tutorial. Bye bye.